guys, welcome to Sumi Fashions and Collections. First of all, happy Yugadi to everyone. So we are launching our Sumi collections today on YouTube. We have some premium collections to be shown to you. So let's see the sarees. So these are the 5 colors we are going to showcase today. So these are nothing but linen tissue soft sarees. Let's have a look at sample saree. So this is baby pink color, guys. It's very trendy color. Let's have a look at the pallu. It's very soft saree, guys. So this is how the pallu looks like. So this is jari. Off of the saree has a broader lines of a jari, and off of the saree has a lighter shade to complement each other. So this is how the pallu looks like. Look at the material, guys, how soft it is. It's very soft. It can be worn all over the seasons. For summer, it's very comfortable, I can say. So this is how the complete pallu looks like. Off of the pallu has a softer lines, and then going forward you will have a thicker lines. You can see this is completely jari. And now we can have a look at the saree. So this is the saree. Overall the saree is like this. So off of the saree is in pink color, soft pink color tissue, and other off is in tissue. You can see this, how soft material it is. In the similar fashion, we have a running blouse. So blouse is similar to the saree. The body is like this, and the border you will get a big border, broad border in this jari. So it's very soft, guys. Look at this. It's very soft material. And this pretty saree is priced at 3800 only. So we're launching, and we have a very affordable prices, guys. Please do order because once it's run out of the stock. Let's see some more colors. So this is orange color. This is also very light orange color. We aimed at getting the pastel colors because they are more in the trend now. So the overall fashion looks the same. So color differences will be available. So similar fashion, we have a closer lines here with the jari and the orange thread woven. Off of the saree as smaller threads, and off as a complete jari. So we'll have a look at pallu, complete pallu. Let's have a look. These white lines are completely jari, guys. And this is how the blouse looks like. Same similar fashion to the other saree. Off of the saree is in pink orange thread, and off is completely in jari. Look at that. It's a very transparent and very much in fashion now. The saree is same, similar to the blouse. So this is orange color. Let's have a look at magenta color. This is pastel magenta color. Pallu is similar. We have a small lines and bigger lines running, and off saree is completely tissue. We have a pom-poms also, which makes the saree even more prettier. And this is very pretty color, guys. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. And this is a tissue, very soft material, very soft material. Anybody can wear this. We can carry it very easily throughout the functions. So same running blouse and the saree. In the similar fashion, we have another two colors left over. One is blue. So this one blue as same jari with the blue color thread mix, and off of the saree is completely jari with blue threads, similar to the other two sarees. Guys, all of these sarees are priced at the same price, that is 3800. Please do contact us on WhatsApp number which will be displayed on the video. We are launching it, hence we are giving it in a very affordable prices. Grab the deal as soon as possible. So this is how the pallu looks like. It's very different saree, guys. So this is how the blouse looks like. Blouse and the saree is similar. Very beautiful blue. And the last color we have is yellow. So this yellow kind of mustard saree. Similar fashion of work is there. Look at this, how beautiful. It's very beautiful. This is how the saree and pallu looks like this. And let's see, this blouse is like this. You can use this blouse for multiple sarees, guys. It's very beautiful. And this is the saree. So that's it, guys. This is our premium collections. We are currently having sarees of 5 colors. If any color is required, we will be getting it dyed, but we would require it as a pre-order, and we accept only online payments. So contact us on WhatsApp number, and we'll be coming further in some more beautiful collections. Please do subscribe our channel, like and comment what type of sarees you want, and we'll also get them in. So thank you, guys. Please do support Sumi Fashions and Collections. Once again, happy Yugadi. Be happy always. Thank you.